Engineered Math Random Solve Problem number 10. Solve the system of equation 2x plus 5y equals negative 7 and 3x minus 4y equals 10. So kapag solving system of linear equations into unknown, pwede natin itong masolve using substitution or elimination method. So gagamitin ko na lang dito is elimination method. Pili tayo ng i-eliminate na variable. Let's say si y na lang or pwede rin naman si x. Pero kung eliminate ko si y, gagawin kong additive inverse yung coefficient ni y sa, let's say this is equation 1 tsaka equation 2, para kapag inadd natin, may eliminate natin yung y. So, gagawin ko is, i-multiply ko yung equation 1 by 4, tapos i-add ko sa equation 2 multiplied by 5 para magiging positive 20 and negative 20 yung coefficient nila. Okay? So, mangyayari dito sa equation 1, i-multiply natin by 4, both sides. So, distribute the 4. 4 times 2x is 8x plus 4 times 5y is 20y equals 4 times negative 7, negative 28. And then, sa equation 2 naman, multiply ko by 5 both sides. And distribute the 5. So, 5 times 3x, 15x, minus 5 times 4y, 20y, equals 5 times 10 is 50. Yan. So, i-add natin ngayon tong resulting equations. Itong dalawa. Yan. Para ma-eliminate si y. So, 8x plus 15x is 23x. And then 20y plus negative 20y. So, eliminated na siya, 0. Equal to negative 28 plus 50 is 22. Yan. So, masasolve natin si x ngayon. Di-divide ko both sides by 23. So, x is 22 over 23. So, ito yung value ng x. To solve for y, pwede na lang tayong gumamit ng equation 1 or 2. Let's say, equation 1 na lang gagamitin ko. So, from 1, ipa-plug in na natin yung value ng x na 22 over 23. So, magiging 2 times 22 over 23 plus 5y equals negative 7. So, 2 times 22, 44 over 23 plus 5y equals negative 7. Transpose ko sa kanan si 44 over 23. So, 5y equals negative 7 minus 44 over 23. Tapos, i-combine ko muna to as a single fraction. So, LCD will be, itong negative 7, may over 1 siya. So, ang LCD, 1 and 23 is 23. So, 23 divided by 1 is 23 times negative 7, negative 161, minus 23 divided by 23 is 1 times 44, 44. So, 5y is equal to negative 161 minus 44, negative 205 over 23. And then, to solve for y, di-divide ko pa both sides by 5. So, y is, so, nagdi-divide ngayon tayo. Copy natin yung numerator na negative 205 over 23 times the reciprocal of the denominator na 5 over 1 or 1/5. Yan. So, may makakancel ba tayo dito? Negative 205 divided by 5. Yes, divisible sila, diba? So, magiging negative 205 divided by 5. Cancel mo na siya. Negative 41 na siya, right? So, bale, negative 41 times 1, negative 41 over 23. So, this is the value of y. So y is negative 41 over 23 and x is 22 over 23. Ngayon, pwede natin yung i-check sa calcu. Mode 5, 1 for 2 unknown. Input lang natin yung coefficient. So we have 2, 5, negative 7, 3, negative 4, 10, equal. So x is, tama, 22 over 23 equal y is negative 41 over 23.